What are you doing?
There's a fish in my mouth. There's a fish in my mouth.
There's a fish in your mouth. That sounds gross, dude.
Goodness. Harper. You need to calm down.
There's fish in my mouth. Look, Mama, look. A fish in my mouth.
Harps, what's wrong? What do you got, bud? What was that?
A fishy.
Did you just eat a fishy?
Yeah.
You did? You ate 2 fishies?
Yeah.
How did they taste?
Good.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Say, what's up, world?